under the sea. Nobody beat us, fry us, and eat us in fricassee.
Hi, I'm Nathan. This is Nathan's station. I like to play, draw, make and explore. Today we're going to poke these pencils through this bag once it's filled up with water. Because it has polymer in it, it will hopefully stop the water from spilling out when we poke these pencils through it. If the first one works, we can max it out, and if the maxed out one works, we can have a little bit of fun. So, what we're going to do is we're going to pour the water, and the water is in the watering can, and we're going to do it all the way into here. Right, so we need to be careful to not let it go out. And I'm just excited to do the fun bit that I told you we're going to do. I'm just so excited. And I'm going to give you a clue. I might get a little bit wet. Now we're going to fill it back up. Right, now let's use our hose pipe to fill it up. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. I think that's good. Put that down. And now we can fill it up again. Right. We need to be careful again. Whoa, it's filling up. I think we might have got it high enough. And now we're going to pop one through at a time. Right, let's see. This works. Oh, okay, we got that one through. Whoa, it worked. Oh, okay. I think we did a little spill, but we stopped the spill. Okay, now we can push this one through. This black one might not work because it's not as sharpened as the other ones. Oh, it worked. We didn't know that was going to happen. Ooh, that was a good one. Now we're going to poke that one through. Well, how's that poked through? I think we got that side through. And this is a hard part. Ooh, that one's quite a good one too. Hey, these are the same, matchy. Right, now we need to poke this one through. Whoa. Now we've done that one through, we need to use this one and put this one through. Whoa, look, it's worked. Now we have done the first one, and now we take it to the max. And if this works, we're going to have some fun.